I'm like so happy today. I think until now I used to say that Diwali that Ramcharitmanas we did was the best. But today it was so humorous, it was so much fun. And actually I have become so familiar with the kids now. These all are like my kids only and they are performing so well. I could actually see each one's graph because I know everyone's first show and I know how they've performed. Everyone has excelled and I was so happy with everyone's performance. Tremendous work, all of you. Everyone was enjoying it, everyone was acting, everyone was in the character because everyone has read the book so well. And I just loved it and you are amazing like always. And how you have converted such a big book into a script is like commendable, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. I think Riyansh parents.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What's your feedback?
So I think all the credit goes to you. The kids did really well. The way it was knitted in one zone, I would say. Everyone had a fair chance to speak. Everyone was really confident. While you were nudging around people, they were doing something bits and pieces. But I think that coordination of people understanding you with the expression is in itself a depiction of what hard work has gone into it. So my best wishes to them. I think they have done a wonderful job and they will continue to do it.
Thank you. Riyansh mom?
Yeah, so I think, what I loved here that, they were so coordinated well. And in fact, I noticed that even if there was sound in the background, but everybody was so confident into their character that they did not get distracted. So I think, definitely the credit goes to you. The 3 months were really interesting. And I could see the difference between the experienced one as well as the newcomers. So I really hoping, to see even better, performing in the next, maybe if you join, of course, then of course I would like to see the improvement.
Thank you. Anjana's mom?
It was wonderful teamwork put in together and the credit goes to you, ma'am. हम तो 2 बच्चे भी नहीं संभाल पाते हैं, but इतने सारे बच्चों को dialogues memorize करना, coordination, कहाँ पे कैसे pause देना and all the nuances. It's been a wonderful journey. Anjane has done well. And everybody, I was not able to pick a single person जिसने थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर किया हो. मैं अभी भी कुछ नहीं बोल पाऊंगी. I am jittery. आप लोग, you were outstanding, all of you. Congratulations for putting up a wonderful show.
Thank you. Rida's mom?
Well, they were really good. This is my second show, and the ones who were there last time, they've improved so much. I mean, they've like the graphs really gone up. I was amazed to see some of them. Like the improvement is excellent. Yeah, it's really good, and of course the credit goes to you. I met them last weekend and I was telling them that the amount of hard work that she puts, I sometimes feel guilty really that I'm not able to do enough justice to Rida when she comes home and attending to her dialogues or whatever. But it's been really great, and there are small things I think that the kids learn. It's how to ignore the noise around, how to coordinate. So there are small things, but they're doing really well. If Rida, I think she was better. I know you're a better judge though. But even the first comers, like Rida was the first time last time, but even the ones who are new have done really, really well. Like they were very confident, and I personally feel from the last show, this show was much better prepared than the last one. They were all very, very prepared for this one. But you're always good.
Thank you. Advai's father?
I'm always hats off to you for guiding them and motivating them to put up such a wonderful show. They were all so well coordinated, and the best part, all in control of their expressions and dialogues. The confidence levels outstanding, amazing, very well. Congrats to all of you.
आप शायद वंश के घर से है ना? हाँ, आप कुछ कहना चाहिए?
Netics.
No, Vansh Netics brother.
Yeah, so I have been like into extracurriculars from my school days to my college. So the main thing which I see is nervousness amongst the peers. So which I found was completely was struck over here, and that's the most important thing. So being performing on a stage is a thing which really shakes the person, because they have a fear who will be the audience, who in front of will they be performing, and that was very well taken care of. They were really confident, and I would like to say that the expressions of each of everyone was so well taken care of, because like from seeing a movie to doing it to a play, or converting it into a act, it's a very tough thing to do. So very well executed, and everyone was perfect in their aspect. So yeah, so they deserve a big round of applause.
थैंक यू। आंटी आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? नव्या's father.
Yeah, I think most of the points have been covered by the other parents. This was our first experience. But what I want to highlight parent perspective is I was actually thrilled by the over communication of the teacher in particular. Because she had amazing control on the scheduling. All the information was shared on right time. And I, as an individual, I probably prefer over communication than under communication. So it was very, very helpful for me from a scheduling angle. This was Navya's first experience. She has been a voracious leader, but I think this is another aspect of her personality, which I hope if she gets the right set of friends and teachers to work around, I'm sure she would be doing much better. Congratulations to every one of you. I think I don't even know the 7 books of Harry Potter. Like, I'm not a Potter, the extreme end of the Potterhead genre. But yeah, I did catch up quite a bit from this experience. So congratulations and well done.
Thank you. You are Navya's brother, I assume. Yes. Anything from you?
Just say that Navya actually improved a lot. Like the practices that she did at home and the performance that she did were completely different. This was much better than what she did at home. That's all.
Thank you. You are Nitara's father, I assume. Yes, sir.
Actually, first time when I saw the script, I was wondering how the kids of this side would remember it and deliver it flawlessly. And I was amazed. Like everybody did fabulous. I mean, they were confident. They delivered like their dialogues. I think it was pretty much spot on. You guys amazed me and great performance. I think it's all.
Thank you. Tanaya's mom.
So it was our first experience here, and what I saw the changes in Tanaya's behavior also. She's now more confident and focused, and because generally she's quite shy in public areas and all, but
ओके आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आंटी? ओके
First of all, I was very surprised when I was listening to that, and it is very difficult to actually mug up all these lengthy dialogues. To be very honest, kudos goes to the way these people have articulated and executed this play. I'll start with Tanaya in terms of when we thought of putting Tanaya into this. She didn't want to join because she was like, why me, Baba, Saturday holiday, you are taking me away from my friends and everything, this is my playtime and all that. But I think after the second session, I think she started getting interest into it, and I think post that, I have seen those changes like the already said. In terms of her concentration has improved a lot. Although she is a good reader, but then she never wanted to read Harry Potter for some reason, right? I've been always pushing her, during our childhood, Harry Potter was a big thing, right? And we've all gone through that. But within no time, she has completed 3 books. So yeah, and all of them, they were fantastic. And I'm really looking forward to whenever you are doing the next show. Obviously not Harry Potter, maybe some other topic or maybe some other play out there. But yeah, thanks a lot.
थैंक यू। अधिराज फादर सर, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
मैम थैंक यू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक्स, आपने धीरज को मौका दिया एक। और दूसरा, बच्चे सारे बहुत अच्छे थे, सारे डायलॉग्स बिल्कुल परफेक्टली चला रहे थे और ऐसा लगा कि ये क्या एक्सप्रेशंस थे, आई लाइक दिस एक्सप्रेशंस थे। और थैंक यू फॉर मैम, आपका इतना मेहनत देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा।
थैंक यू।